Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Forex, and welcome once again. And this evening, I'll be doing continuation of basic market structure. In my previous analysis, I project that gold is about to sell, and what exactly happened right now. Now we are projecting. I was projecting that this is previous head and shoulder chart patterns, which is this previous key level. But market broke this key level and came to this previous resistance level. And in our 1 hour time frame, that is exactly what happened. Now, and we can simply say that we can simply call this is trending market structure. One of the most important skills that you need as a trader is the ability to read the market structure. Because if you can understand what market is doing per time, you will figure out who is in the market, either the buyers or the sellers or both of them. It is a critical skill that will allow you to use the right price action strategies in the right market condition, because every market are not the same. This is gold. Gold characteristics of moving is different from GBP JPY. Neither GBP JPY characteristics of moving is different from Euro USD. Though both of them can be used, price action can be used to read all of them. But because of the nature of what moves the market, which is both fundamentals and technical structure, and nature of the market, each of them move differently. You are not going to trade all the market the same way. You need to study how market moves and how they behave. And that is why, as a young trader, you need to have a specific market that you are trading. You do not just trade every market. One of the characteristics of failure of most young traders is they want to trade every market because every market is moving. No. You don't trade every market. Pick the market you like and stay with it as much as possible, because in order to know what market is doing. And this is trending market, like I said earlier. Now, in trending market simply means that either market is buying or selling. And right now, you don't need any indicators. You need nothing. What you need to do is to find out what crowd are doing. Who is in the control of the market? Is it the buyers or the sellers? So throughout last week, market was doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then what happened? Market broke that structure through this trend line, higher low. And the next thing was that support level turned to resistance. The previous support levels that are supposed to hold it turn to resistance. And what market to do? Market is coming to this key level. So trending markets are kind of markets that there are characteristics of market that keep repeating itself, because like I said earlier, market moves in waves, market moves in pattern, it moves in structure. Through the price action analysis, you understand what happened in the market, you understand the structure of the market. Either market is doing higher high or higher low, or lower high or lower low, or choppy market. That is, if it is the buyer that is in the market, or seller, or both of them. Understanding this will help you to see what is happening. Now, this live market I'm doing analysis right now simply means that it is the seller that are in the market right now. Those who are still trying to push market in 1 hour time frame are just the buyers that are trying to enforce the market. But right now, the best thing to do in this market is to sell. So what are the best way of trading this market structure? It is so simple as ABC. When you open your chart, open to 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. Once you open it, pick out the trend line. You can see this structure I did now. You too go back to your live chart, go and draw your trend line. And you can see something that I draw my trend line on the wick of the candle. On the wick of the candle, which is tips of the edge of the candle. So it looks perfect, but I've been drawing this for almost 4 years now. So when you draw this, just draw the trend line. Pick out your trend line, draw it perfectly. Once you draw it, duplicate it and make it form a channel or like a ladder. You know, when you want to repair anything in your house, you use a ladder to climb your roof. So once you duplicate it, then study. See what market is doing. So, and that is why I usually say that if you want to know how to trade trend market, zoom out, come to 4 hour time frame, come to 4 hour time frame, come to 1 hour time frame, and figure out what market is doing. and be patient. Be patient. Now, I was able to short this gold right here. My stop loss is somewhere around here, because I believe that if market break this key level, then this structure is not holding again. But fortunately for us, what happened? Market could not break this structure, which is 2,690, and right now is a serious profit. Right now, so you can try this thing in your demo account. Don't experience it with real money. Open your demo account, check this channel, watch it, go into your own market structure too, go and find out, and you easily see what market is doing now. So when market was doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, so exactly what is happening here now, market still want to do the same thing now. This is now lower high, lower low, and market to do lower high again, then lower low, lower high, lower low, until market is completely ready again to change its structure. Now let's come to 4-hour time frame. This was the Fibonacci I drew, that market is actually buying. People think, yes, gold is about to buy massively. Now, this is the Fibonacci that I drew. Now, I was expecting market to this 0.618 to hold, but gold did something amazing. It broke this key level, then came to these key zones to come and test it again. And what happened? I didn't short here. So I was expecting market to break this second trend line. And that is exactly what happened. So when market break it, and how was I able to figure out all these things? Like one of my videos I have released before, I call it co-integrations, the ability to use different strategy to find out what market is doing per time. You need to have different strategy. That's why when I speak with a lot of traders, they say their strategy has been working before, but it does not work again. No, you don't have one strategy. So you will build layers and calyces of strategies all together until you find out the one that resonates with you, and have different strategies all together so that you can pick the right trade at the right time. So this is simple market structure I want us to understand. And there is something one more time again. In this market structure, trending market, there is massive support and resistance being playing out. When market was doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, when you reach this place, there was a massive resistance. There was a massive resistance. And that is exactly what happened. There was a massive resistance. So massive resistance, and market could not break that key level anymore. So that is exactly what happened. There was a massive resistance here, and market could not break this key level. Market could not break it at all. So immediately that resistance happened, that is supply. This means that it is now the seller that we're in the market. Now, same thing happened here also. Massive resistance also here. So you can see resistance, resistance. Whereas when market was moving here, it was a massive support. And that is the power of supply and demand. So that is the power of supply and demand. You can see that this is support level. This is support level. Support level. And this is resistance, resistance. So that is pure price action structure. So when you understand these key levels, it helps you to make right decision per time. You are not entering the market with an impulse. And you are not entering the market with an impulse or emotion. You are entering the market. You need a specific knowledge of finding a proper way of entering the market. Unfortunately for you guys, you are in the right channel. This is the purpose of this channel is to make sure that all the struggling traders who come to this channel, you learn. Once you learn finished, you go back to your chart. Go and practice everything I am saying. Go and confirm it yourself. Don't take my word from me. Go and confirm. See what I have been telling you. Now you can see that this is massive support level, massive support level, massive resistance level, massive resistance level. And that is all price action is all about. When you trending market is easy to trade, but you must be extremely patient. You must be patient. You must not be aggressive. Yes, you can be aggressive in taking profit or taking loss, but entering market, the right entry is extremely important. So also right exit. Now, me, I'm a swing trader. I am ready to hold this market to this key level of 2,543 hands. This is good because though right now I'll be locking some profit, but I know that if market can reverse back to this key level, then I'm in the wrong market. So what I will do is I'll just put my break even to these key levels of 2,665 amps. But as long as market do not come to that place, I am ready to hold this market to this key level of 2,544 amps, which is 100% of this breakout, of this support level. I am ready to hold it to this key level. And that is power of pure price action plus support and resistance key level. Now, so understanding this will give you more edge in the market. And that is all I have for you, this guy, this evening. I am still holding, I'm still shorting gold right now. I'm in good profit, but I'm shorting it. The purpose of updating this analysis is for you to know that it is possible to be a profitable trader. I know it is difficult, but it is possible. Don't let anybody cajole you. So don't fall for signal group. How long are you going to take signal group? Nobody becomes extremely successful taking signal group. None. If you want to be a successful, profitable trader, you must know what market is doing by yourself. You must figure out what market is doing. Understanding this trending market structure with support and resistance, with Fibonacci, with supply and demand, which is support and resistance anyway, will give you more confidence. And the more confidence you have, the more you try it out. The more you try it out, the more you see results. The more you see results, the more happier you become. The happier you become, the more experience you have. And when you are experienced enough, then you have chance of making a level of income from market. And lastly, don't drop your job. Work on your job. Practice market structure. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click like button right away. Help this channel to grow. Let's put this channel to another dimension. This channel needs to grow. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Click the link below. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. On your notification, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any comments, drop it below. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.